piece of work. Like, we obviously do this on a regular basis. Keeping the town clean and tidy. We've got a problem at the moment with used drugs paraphernalia in various parts of the town. Stood in the town centre, a few yards from the police station, a few yards from the Guildhall, in the public space, and you found needles and other paraphernalia.
Well, I've had calls off the general public really, because they're scared of their children playing. There's been needles found up and down, so I've come today just to have a look, and if there's anything about, I'll move them and report it to Wrexham Council.
Okay. It's a case of perhaps the authorities got their heads in the sand a little bit about the problems at the moment.
Well, it seems that way, and the public definitely think that way. There's not enough attention being paid to needles, rubbish, drinking in the town. You know, I've got no problem with the genuine homeless people, but you know, people that use drugs, you know, there's something more that's got to be done to
make it
out
dangerous for other people.
Children playing, pets, wildlife. You know, as you'll see, there'll be needles all over the place. Yeah.
People are sleeping out in this as well, Keith.
I'll show you the tents are there. We'll go right up to them.
Well, it went in the minuses last night as well, didn't it?
Yeah. Have a look down there if you get a chance. Yeah, needles. First. Is that right? Definitely been here as heroin spoons. That's probably, I won't do in there. There's no way I can do anything near that. But all the way through there. Yeah. But there's no way I know I don't mind picking needle, but I ain't doing in that. You don't know what's in it. This is the problem.
How many have you found in 5 minutes, Keith?
Whoa, 10.
When were you last here?
Yesterday. Within half hour, within the Tesco sort of area. I was only out for half hour after being informed by public that there was needles about. I picked 83 needles up in half hour. Went out the day after to a different area and picked up another 40 odd, both in half hour. You see on the bank? Alright. Look at that. That's human. This is another problem that we're getting, see, is, you know what I mean? And a big problem we got, especially with kids and what have you, is all these leaves, you can't see them all. All I can see is what's on top. Signs of paraphernalia. there. Oh yeah, yeah. Get onto these. Needles there.
What was that, Keith?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 with the big pin sticking straight out. This is the biggest problem we got to leave them with. This is 18. 18 in that one spot.
Some of the shelter there, is it, Keith?
It's Heroin spoon. Yeah, another one. You know, right outside public swimming baths. This is the site known as the old Croft site, which is part just around the, you know, it's council land. I get a lot of complaints about this. You can see out there, everyone. Yeah. As we're coming in now. Surprise, surprise.
10 metres from the road.
Yeah, well. One. Full of blood. That is full of blood. Right? 2, 3, 4.
Is that a needle bin next to it, Keith?
Yeah.
Not been used?
5.
Oh, it's full.
Alright, got it. And that's just on the entrance, so
This was cleared last summer, wasn't it?
yeah.
But still.
But it should be done more often. I'm walking in there, I'm not risking it.
No.
Coming through you now. Are we getting stopped in the site? I've got one I want to show you, which is this. This is the dangerous thing. Now, animals, children, people You would not see that on the floor. One of my retired supervisors, street scene supervisors, had one of them straight through his boot. Went in his foot. He had to wait 3 months for a test at the hospital to see if he caught hepatitis. That is dangerous.
There's spoons as well, Keith.
Yeah, the spoons, there's another needle. Spoons, heroin spoons, all going to carry germs, aren't they, obviously? Yeah.
So, well, they're everywhere, aren't they?
Look at that. Pin off. Got no cover. No cover on that. Yeah. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another. No guard on that either. Oh my God. Here we go. Christmas lights. Kids from on here, man, like, just not worth thinking about.
This is how people are living in Wrexham.
Yep. Where we don't have a problem with needles. According to a few in the council.
Some people have mentioned there isn't a drugs problem in Wrexham, Keith. What do you reckon?
I've heard this myself. To be honest with you, I think people must walk around with their eyes closed because I see it. Normal members of the public see it. And we call this not a problem. And obviously I don't know what is the problem. But
If you weren't picking these up, who would be doing it?
it's down to the street scene. Town centre cleaners and what have you. But I know people complain, and when they don't get anywhere, they come to me and ask me to have a look, which I don't mind doing because I can shift them pretty quick. But at the end of the day, I think Wrexham Council should be doing more, not only to stop this mess, but to keep the areas clean. It's disgusting. Look again here.
Everywhere you're looking at.
That's the thing, see, no matter where you put your feet. Yeah, more, yeah. I know, we've got to be up to police force, you know, and we, at least. Must be more.
I've got in there, but
No, spoons, you know what I mean? Yeah, another one. Yeah.
Spent the last hour just walking around town, various places, the Memorial Hall, Waterworld, public spaces, civic facilities, and how many picked up?
60 plus needles within an hour, and you know it's really shocking, you know, how this can happen in public open spaces, right behind the cenotaph, churches, police station 50 metres away, Guildhall 100 yards away, schools all within the area, Alexandra School, children having to walk on footpaths, push bike lanes. Disgusting.
Okay, so Do you think the authorities have to take a closer look at this?
Well, yeah, I've heard recently senior councillors have been saying things like Wrexham hasn't got a problem with needles and drugs, and like you know yourself, there was the King Street problems, and Wrexham has got a problem. It's got a big problem. If people walk around, must be walking around with their eyes closed, because the public see it, because the public are always on to us as councillors. So they definitely see the problems, and I see the problems. And we come out and try and clean up and have a look at it and then report the problems.
And if these problems aren't addressed, there's the danger that it could spill out even further into town.
Well, yeah, obviously, because I mean, people know, that they can do what they want, and it will end up all over the place. And the people of Wrexham don't need to be living with us.